Alright guys, welcome back. So this is another video. In this video, we will going to see. So as you can see, case study 14, and in this video, we will going to see this as another website which is a1quote.store. So basically, this site is all about quotes, and whenever whenever somebody search on Google about quotes, quotes regarding motivation, quotes regarding love, or quotes regarding relationships, quotes regarding quotes regarding like let me show you what this site is basically about and how. Just ignore this, I don't want you to pay attention to this. So again, come up here and yeah, so this is one of the site which is basically an amazing site. And the best thing is this website is already Google AdSense monetized. And the point in here is here you can see motivational quotes, success and achievement quotes, love and relationship, web stories, leadership, funny quotes. So wisdom and life quotes. So the point in here is let me first show you this website is like is something which you can create. And this is not something which is a rocket science. This is something which is a basic theme and basic content creation. So if I just click on this like motivational quote for yourself, so here you will get to see some of the images, like motivational quote for yourself, 50 powerful lines. So you can create this image using Canva and Figma. So there are a lot of tools which basically are free and which helps you make these type of images. So again, this is the keyword and coming up down. So introduction, table of content. Again, using some of the plugins, you can add table of plugins or table of content or plugins. Here you can see by using ChatGPT, this person is producing content and some of the images as well. So I would want you guys to understand that how easy it is right now to basically create content using AI. And also the images, also the whole website lookup is very simple, and it is something which everybody can replicate, which everybody can copy. All you need is to just get some of the inspiration, what type of niche you should select, what type of content you should be creating. So you should look up at these small sites and then get the inspiration from these sites, and then see what type of content that they are producing. Let's say if I just click on web stories, so basically if I tell you that this website is basically producing 148 articles and getting a good amount of traffic, like you can also check the site in SEMrush, or here you can see 1K traffic. It means people are searching, people are searching captions, people are searching quotes. So also they this is this, you can also say these are type of the captions. Also moving ahead, images. So this person is just creating, and I think putting images from AI and just putting it in here. And it's like this person is just trying to trying to produce some of the content. So this is one thing which I would want you guys to understand, that if you wanted to try out, just take the motivation from these sites. That's why the point in here is I am creating these uh, case studies for you guys, is just to let you know that how easy it is to create a site. To first you need to get the inspiration from these small sites that and that these sites are creating content using AI tools. And you can also create one. uh, just come up on SMrush and SEMrush, not SMrush, and put the site in the domain overview, and just and look up how much the site authority is, and organic traffic, paid traffic, referring domains. These are the few things. The site authority is not very well. Again, this is a new site, and that's why I just bring new sites to you guys, so that you just get the inspiration and start your own blog, which is very important right now in this AI age. Also coming up, so there is no much data on it. Also coming up on this, and just scroll down, and so there is no much data on this site. But here you can see some of the backlinks, and keywords are not, in this free tool you cannot basically search deeply. So I recommend you to buy the premium version of SEMrush. and that is quite affordable. You can buy. And so top anchors again, index pages. So again, if I just come up on the site and scroll down, so let's say, let me, let me check this success code, success code for family for five inspiration wallet to achieve together. So again, this is something which is quite doable thing. Like you need to just get some of the inspiration from this. Like here you can see the introduction and table of content. So all you need is to just look up and consume the content, that whatever content this site is producing, and images. Again, here you can see these icons can be, show. You can also, use plugins to show these type of social icons. So in WordPress, when you just click on, when you just create your site on WordPress, you will eventually go into the plugin sections, and then you just upload or activate plugin regarding social icons. So you will eventually, get to activate that plugin, and then these will come up in here. So I think this is how you should be researching about a particular site or particular domain or niche, and then you just take the inspiration of what type of content that this site is producing and how you should be doing it. Also, the theme, when it comes to the theme, this theme is not really amazing. I it seems like a very basic theme which is not quite engaging or not looks very cool. It's just a simple page. You can also activate some of the good themes in WordPress. Like also, there are some of the tools which you can utilize in order to create amazing premium theme looks using some of AI tools. But for that you need some of the knowledge of like HTML, CSS, or Java. So these, I don't want you to go to in technical things. Like just if you are starting out, just take the themes from WordPress and then activate, and then start doing, start creating content. That would be your first step. I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any question, do let me know. And if you want me to set up your own blog and give you the step by step guide on how you can start your own blog, and from niche research to keyword research, and from keyword research to content calendars, and then content calendars to content creation to SEO. So these are the few steps that I would be taking in order to get you, in order to make you a good blog, which actually makes you a good amount of money. So I think that's pretty much it. If you need any help, do let me know. And also you can comment, and I and we'll see you in the next video.